So, I hope my audio is okay. I'm gonna check it. Yeah. Subscriptions. Okay, so test. Okay. Well, this will be stream about observing my old water cultures. I have updates that I'm moving to Netherlands, so I'm going to check these samples probably for the last time, or just about those 5 days. Will be the last time I will observe them, and I noticed ostracods in my samples, which are in the biggest um, sample, which is the aquarium. I didn't have ostracods here for I take it like in the winter, and from that time there were no ostracods, so I think they hatched from something like eggs. And yeah, this is a sample from the aquarium, but I didn't took any ostracode here. This look like some sort of bacteria colony, probably cyanobacteria, but I'm not sure. And those small ones are, I'm not sure if those are bacteria. This big one is for sure Eukaryota, some ciliate. This looks little bit like amoeba. Where was it? Here. But that's probably too some bacterial colony. Yeah, that's bacterial colony. You see there are multiple cells here, which are really small. I will record this one. I'm gonna record those and probably upload them on the new channel. So soon, if I will make a new channel, I will make link for this channel on my other channels, and it will have only the content will be only about observations, the raw footage, without edit and so on, because I noticed that it is effective to get more people to watch my channel, to get more subscribers and watch time in like for the whole channel, not for the individual videos, but for the whole channel. And for those channels which I already have, I want to use only edited videos, so it will better represent my channel. And sorry, my brother is watching anime right now. I already noticed some skeleton from Ostrakode somewhere, but I'm not sure where is it. Yeah, there it is. I believe this is from Ostrakode. It's a little bit look. This one looks a little bit like mycelium. This branchy structure. But mycelium does not have mostly, more commonly, that cleanly seen this shape of each individual cell. Like commonly in mycelium, you cannot see it clearly, like it is from multiple cells most of the time. So I'm not sure if this is mycelium, but it is too big to be bacteria colony. So yeah, I will bet for mycelium. Yeah, this is surely from Ostrakot. You can even see the hairy structures here. You can see those bacteria which feed from the um, how it's called, from the body of the ostracod. They are even inside of the skeleton, as you can see here. So I think I am gonna change the sample. This one looks a little bit like amoeba. I'm not sure. Nah, it's not moving. Looks a little bit too like bacterial colony, but this bacteria is not moving much. This is some ciliate, this small one. Yeah, and this is moving bacterial colony. I'm gonna change the sample. Or first, I'm gonna check YouTube so I can see my names, how I call my observations. Mm. Aquarium observation 3. So this will be 4 to 1. Okay. I'm gonna check the glass. I'm not sure, but I think I saw something moving by naked eye here in this jar. I didn't took it to the pipette. This one was taken from the bottom of the sample. From part there is a lot of algae. I'm gonna check which how it was named. For this one will be fourth one. Okay. Opat. Opat 4, observation 4. So this is not from my aquarium, but this is from jar. But it is from the same source as water from the aquarium, as most of the water in the aquarium. The aquarium is a little bit of mixture of more water samples, but the big part of the water are just from Oravas water dam here in Slovakia. Fresh water sample. I thought I saw something here, but I'm not sure where it is. I see. I'm really not sure what this can be, but oh, that's just a diatom. Or not? There is little low light here. I'm not sure if it is good idea to observe it from too close, too closely. But yeah, everything I see is just the atom moving. Okay, let it be. I'm gonna check more from this scenery. Here we can see some sort of cyanobacteria colony. Those stringy things. There is some sort of liat. Little bit looks like paramecium, but I don't think it is really paramecium. I'm not sure what it is. Hmm. These two looks like mycelium and not. This is dust mite skeleton. What is this? It looks... I think it is a dust mite, but this one is capable of living underwater. I'm not sure if it is really dust mite or water mite, but looks like dust mite, yeah. So it just makes its bubble of air here, and it is like breathing from it. I'm not sure. I think I will make short video of this. I'm not sure if this one is really living at the bottom of the sample or I accidentally put him by pipette to the bottom and stuck him into the pipette. Or he was already in the pipette and I just stuck the water to him. Okay, I will leave him be and look for another... Or no, this is just good look, so I can use this also for my video. So I will just leave it be like that. This 14, 40, sorry, 40. Okay, it's working. I see here some sort of string, if I'm not mistaken. Ah, not. It is more likely like this alive or not? This skeleton probably. Something I'm not sure of what. I told it is from cyanobacterial colony, but I don't think it will have skeleton like this. So yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, I think that's everything for this specimen. Okay, and what else I can check? This was one of my favorite samples, but now there is just little bit of water, and I'm not gonna put any more water here, as I will just need to get rid of it. And yeah, from where I should took, probably from the part where is the sun most. Okay, I think that's just nice. And I'm going to put it here. It has nice color. Okay, this is soil sample. So here, I'm not sure how it was called. Gus, GSS, GSS 32 sample. I forgot. Yeah. I forgot how these are called. I think something like Clostridium, but I'm not sure. Clostridium, I think, yeah. I'm just gonna check it if it is really Clostridium. Yeah, Clostridium. Just like this. Mhm. This is probably also bacterial colony, but this one looks interesting. This is something like biofilm of bacteria. This one is rotifer. Delayed rotifer. Like skeleton from him. It will be pretty active if it was alive. This an multicellular organism. Look, this looks like some sort of crystal. Crystal. I'm not sure if this is crystal structure or not. Again, Clostridium and Bedellid rotifer skeletons. And here it looks again like cyanobacteria colony. This can be also other bacterial colony. Okay, and this will be everything for this specimen. I'm gonna try to suck some ostracodes to the sample, or to the glass. I'm not sure if I took one. Ah, yeah, I have one here. Yeah, okay, I got it. Okay, I think this is enough. This one is aquarium. Gonna be observation 5. And here is my brother doing planche.
To видно?
Zaraz I...
Mm. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at wait a second. I'm looking now at Ostrakoda. I'm gonna try to find it. Yeah, that was it. That big shit right here. But it is pretty fast, so I just probably need to take more water from the specimen so I can maybe
What
more
is this?
probably some sort of crystal. Lot of crystals can be found here, but no, this is I think some sort of debris. This is not crystal which I found more times, but there be like really clean looking good structures of crystal sometimes here.
But cool debris.
Yeah, cool debris.
You are writing with yourself?
Yeah.
Jotting? Nice.
Yeah, it is pretty fast, so I'm gonna take more water from it. Okay, now it is moving hardly, so I can use it. Okay, so this is it. But now it has like pretty low amount of water. Yeah. So now, but here it have not much of water, so it cannot move. But I think here it has some arms or something, and yeah, that's this can be seen by naked eye. It's if I shut this down, it is this dot
Whoa,
here.
it's big. Can I turn this off?
Yes. Now it has not any water for moving, so I'm going to get it some water. And I think I found another ostracode. Turn on the camera again. Okay, I see the ostracote. I'm not sure if you can see it. Probably not. No? No. Not helping. Okay, so I think I found more ostracodes. Like 3 of them. Okay, I'm gonna leave these here. And we have like 3 ostracods. Again, we have too much of water here. So it will be hard to find something like steady. But this was it. I'm gonna start the recording. I forgot which one is observation 5. Okay. Some of them are pretty big. It is full of bacteria. I think all those dots are bacteria, so it has a lot of source to eat. The ostracods have a lot of options, sources, but I'm not sure if they eat a lot of alive bacteria. They eat a lot of algae, as I remember correctly. Those are just bubbles, right? Yeah, this is ostracod. Like, that was nice view. I think I can take more of water from them. That is too much. So they will not be moving again. Oh, here they are moving at least somehow. So yeah, this is ostracod. You can see its legs. And I heard they have the biggest penis in the animal kingdom, but I cannot tell you what is really the penis because I see here some two sorts of legs or arms. Pero ako si povedal končatina?
Čo?
Končatina. Že? Končatina. Wait a second. Limp? Okay. Okay, so some sort of limp. Because I don't think they have two pairs of dicks, so yeah. So this was the first one, Ostracot. We are going to try to find another one. Where it is? Oh, it's at the bottom. Like, no, this is. Oh, this is the smaller one. Already closed. And where is the biggest one? At the left, okay. Oh, it's not this one, or yes? I think there was even bigger one. Okay, so I'm just going to check it just by a microscope because it is not seen cleanly by eye because there is too much light from the light source. And if I turn off the light, I see nothing, so I'll just try to use the objectives only to map this shit. This a little bit looks like slime mold, but it is some sort of creation of the water and stuff in the water, like by the bacteria, probably. Oh, and this is not an ostracot. This is Daphnia of the copepod. I think it is scared of the light, so it is moving away as we are searching for it. I really like the eye, the red eye in the front. So there is possibility that there is no um tiered ostracod. Probably there are just two ostracods and one Daphnia. But I remember that there here was like really big ostracod at the start as we were observing this video, this specimen. I probably took it here. by accident. I probably just stuck it on the paper. Yeah, where it is? It is like at the top of this piece. Ah, not possible to see it by the camera. I do not want to harm it somehow. I can probably just put this into the water. Oh fuck. Okay, it fell down and I will not probably not find this. If it fell somewhere on the table I can still. Okay, okay, I saw I see it. But I have the sucker. Okay. And again where it is. Okay, see it? Okay, no probably I have to take it again by the paper. I just use water on it and then suck it by the paper. Nah. Okay, it is here. But I am afraid I already damaged it. So wait a second. I'm gonna took over this glass. And now where is this little fella? Jesus, why it is supposed to be so small? Okay, it is here. Okay, I think it is in the water. One just awake to life. But I need this one. Big one. I hope it will be not moving much till I will observe it. Here. Virtual background. Okay, microscopy. Aquarium. Okay, and now on the left somewhere. Okay, this is the biggest one. It has nice pattern also. This is probably the smallest thing I was just transferring by a paper and pipette and so on. Just this was a little bit of challenge, but it is possible. It is interesting to see just how you need to be careful with so small things, but under the microscope you can just see how organized they are. Yeah. It's still not moving, and it is shame it is not turned like 90 degrees on its side, so we can see its legs, its limbs. Yeah. And we are observing this for like 1 hour. So I think this will be no. This will not be the end of the stream. I'm gonna check another organism, another sample, and by that I will end the stream. Because I have still my how it was called, Pyrocystis fusiformis. Yeah, Pyrocystis fusiformis, my Bilmis and algae, and I didn't watch it for a long time, so I want to check it. Okay, so this will be end of this sample, of this observation. Well, okay, and here is the sample. This one. Not sure if you will see anything because it's not midnight. Wait a second. Okay, I'm just gonna lower my brightness. Still, probably will not see much. Ah, okay. It was supposed to have bright blue light when it is shaking, but it didn't help. Okay, it because it glows more in the dark than in the during the day because it is more used, or it is now set to just use its chloroplasts for the photosynthesis, and during the night it is like in its defense mechanism to glow, so it will attract bigger predators which will eat their predators, which it's them. So it's like 3 stages. Like the Pyrrhocystis fusiformis was eaten by those ostracods, which I was showing you before, and those ostracods will glow thanks to the Pyrrhocystis fusiformis and attract bigger predators which will eat the ostracods. So ostracods will be more aware and will eat other organisms than the ostracods, or they are just stupid, they will eat them anyway, but the amount of the ostracods will be lower and lower as they will eat them, as they will eat the Pyrrhocystis fusiformis, because they will logically die by being eaten by bigger predators. Okay, so I'm gonna take some. This is saltwater sample. This is from the sea. Okay, I'm not sure if this will be enough. Okay. This dead part of the Pyrrhocystis fusiformis. This again dead. I'm afraid I killed them accidentally, as I put the cover glass here. And probably... here it is. This is the Pyrrhocystis fusiformis. So, this is like the whole cell. They are bigger, they are big cells. And here is the nucleus, and here are the chloroplasts which are taken to the nucleus where when it is going to do putting the to the nighttime, so it will have more space for the enzymes which will glow by the reaction thanks to by the with the reaction sorry it will have more space when the chloroplast will be near the nucleus, so it will react with the oxygen, which will produce energy, release energy as a light. And but it is not normal for Pyrrhocystis fusiformis to look like this. It more looks like this is attached to the cell wall, this wall structure, but only the chloroplasts are contracted here, pulled towards the nucleus. So this is not a healthy cell. This is probably due to too much or too less of water in the cell. Because the space here is more salty or more concentrated by ions than the inside of the cell. I hope we can find an healthy one. Again, this is not healthy. Again, not healthy. I will probably need to take another sample here. Yep. Okay, I think I placed this one safely. This one looks like weird structure. I'm not sure what is this. Maybe those are insides of the cell. Looks like it, yeah. Because you see the cytoskeleton which are attached to the chloroplast probably, and these can be part of the nucleus or more chloroplasts. This one is weird. Nah, this is not healthy too. Its nucleus doesn't have its shape. This is broken one, another broken one. This is not healthy again. And not this doesn't look good. I'm not sure if it is a good idea to get them more um, of their fertilizer, but I'm a little bit scared, but I'm not sure if this will do fertilizer to them, if they do not have enough of their nutritions. This looks more likely like it's due to osmosis, which is just like the wall area is too concentrated. So maybe it needs more water, but I'm scared to add some water to them. I think it is not good idea. But last time when I was checking it, it was glowing. So I think a lot of them are healthy. This is not the healthy one again. We already saw this one. Okay, so this specimen is quite boring and it has only the not healthy one, not healthy individuals. Oh, and this is sodium chloride that I bottled, which just makes its crystals here. I could make a time lapse here to get some to see how it is forming its crystals. It is interesting we see how it is soonly forming its crystals. When it forms crystals, it means it is highly concentrated, I believe. So it is weird to see it so soon, and it can be the reason why they are dying or why they are not healthy. I'm not sure if it is bigger. Doesn't look like it. We are streaming now for like 1 hour and 30 minutes. That's pretty enough. So I think I am going to decide that I will left it like it is here, so I can record some time lapse of crystals growing. And because making time lapse it's boring stuff, I'm just gonna end my stream, and maybe later I will just check those myself if they are healthy. And yeah, that's it. So see ya. If thanks for watching and so on. And yeah, about the updates, I'm not gonna be active much in the Netherlands. I will move to Netherlands in the 5th May, and I'm gonna to work work there in the Netherlands with my girlfriend. And if it comes to making the content while in Netherlands, I'm gonna just make some. Maybe I want to make video of making peptone, milk peptone, like having milk, getting a whey out of it, and from the whey. Wait a second. My girlfriend is calling. Anani? Streamujem. No. Morkadelu, a na čo máš chuť? Na čo máš chuť? Čo to? Tu. A ak máš niečo na niečo chuť, tak mi napíš, alebo to rovno kúp, alebo neviem. Lebo hodil by sa ešte, možno by sa hodilo nejaké rýchle jedlo ako šulance, alebo také čosi. Napríklad, ja neviem, niečo také, že čo je lacné, ale je to také, že aj trošku zmena. Tá sa neoplatí moc. Bez zľavy 4 eurá. A so zľavou to... Hm. Čokolády sa zdražili, no. No nič. Tak zatiaľ ahoj, ani milujem ťa. Mua. So, I'm here again. So, the thing is about bank in Netherlands. I'm just gonna work here. I will not have much time for the making the content, but I would like to try make whey out of the milk, and from the milk I want to make peptone, because peptone can be used for things like fungi cultivation. And mine, which I have, it's like soy peptone. Get a little bit wet, so I am not sure if it is not expired, like spoiled. But still, it is something which is expensive, so I would like to learn to do it myself. So that's the thing. I think I will make this content in the Netherlands, and I want to make some shorts. Still, I will leave Slovakia, and maybe another content which will comes to my mind doing bank in Netherlands will be produced well bank in Netherlands. And if you are interested, you can comment your ideas which I can do in the Netherlands. So